Hey guys, I'm Surbhi and once again welcome to my channel Key Differences. In this session, I'm going to explain you the difference between private limited company and public limited company. So friends, let's get started. Private limited company. Private limited company is a joint stock company whose shares are held by private individuals. It is one which through its articles of association limits the transferability of shares, that is, the members cannot transfer its shares, limits the number of members to 200 other than one person company, meaning that except for one person company, the maximum number of members in a private limited company can be 200 only, prohibits the entity to invite public for subscribing the securities offered. That is, the entity cannot invite public to subscribe for its shares or debentures. Public limited company. A public limited company is a joint stock company which is listed on a recognized stock exchange and its securities are traded publicly in the market. A public limited company can invite the general public to subscribe for its shares and there is no restriction on the transferability of shares by the members. Now here you need to know that subsidiary of a public company is deemed as a public company. Difference between private limited company and public limited company. A private limited company is a company which is not listed on a recognized stock exchange as well as its ownership lies in the hands of private individuals. On the other hand, a public limited company is a company whose ownership lies in the hands of general public as well as it is listed on a recognized stock exchange. When it comes to members, the number of members in a private company should not be less than 2 and more than 200. Conversely, to form a public company, there must be at least 7 members and there is no limit on the maximum number of members. If we talk about directors, at the time of forming a private limited company, there must be at least 2 directors. As against, there must be at least 3 directors to form a public limited company. Next, as we have already discussed, the members of a private limited company are not allowed to transfer their shares. However, the members of a public limited company can freely transfer their shares. A private limited company cannot invite public to subscribe for its shares, whereas a public limited company can invite general public to subscribe for its shares through prospectus. Prospectus. Issue of prospectus or a statement in lieu of prospectus is not required for private limited company, whereas issue of prospectus or statement in lieu of prospectus is a must for a public company. Statutory meeting. To held statutory meeting is a must for a public limited company. However, it is voluntary in case of a private limited company. Next, quorum. In case of a private limited company, 2 members must be present in person to complete quorum at the AGM. On the contrary, 5 members must be present in person to complete the quorum of a public limited company's annual general meeting. Start of business. After getting the certificate of incorporation, a private company can start its business. As against, a public company can begin its operations after getting certificate of commencement of business along with the certificate of incorporation. Lastly, in case of a private company, the word private limited is added as a suffix after the name of the company. In contrast, public companies use the word limited as a suffix after their name. Well friends, this brings me to the end of this lesson. I hope you find this lesson very useful. I'm sure that all your doubts regarding the difference between private limited company and public limited company are cleared now. However, if you want to study the topic further in detail, you can visit our official website, that is keydifferences.com. Here you can find a detailed comparison of the two along with their definitions. Links are also provided in the description below. So guys, please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have any queries or feedback for me, do comment below. And guys, please subscribe our channel for more updates. I'll be back soon with a new lesson. Till then, take care. Bye bye.